Welcome to the Seagull, your serene escape in Hollywood, Florida, a captivating haven of tranquility. For a seamless booking experience and detailed descriptions, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or find it in the description below. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Hollywood, the Seagull offers an intimate retreat, boasting a single, exquisitely appointed room, ensuring an unparalleled, personalized experience. Imagine stepping into a sanctuary designed for ultimate serenity, a space meticulously curated for couples and solo adventurers seeking respite. The Seagull is a carefully considered escape, purposefully crafted to maintain a peaceful environment. We offer convenient amenities like on-site laundry facilities, allowing you to refresh and rejuvenate without disruption. Start your day with a delightful breakfast, knowing that complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout your stay. A note about our child policy. We maintain a serene atmosphere to enrich your experience, and while we welcome all, please be aware that children may incur additional fees. The Seagull promises an unforgettable experience, a delicate balance of comfort, convenience, and absolute relaxation. Let us host your perfect getaway. Remember, for ease of booking and detailed descriptions of the Seagull, simply scan the QR code now.